Most guys don't realize how much of their energy they waste chasing women every day, trying to say the right things, trying to impress, trying to get her to like them while losing themselves in the process. They don't see how their constant need to keep conversations going, to fill the silence, to respond instantly, is actually pushing her away, draining their masculine energy and turning them into just another forgettable guy in her phone. They don't understand that attraction isn't built through constant words, but through emotional impact, through presence, through moments that linger long after you've walked away. That's why the Zygarnic Effect changes everything when you finally understand it. It's the psychological truth that people remember unfinished tasks better than completed ones. It's why a song that ends on an unresolved note sticks in your head, why a movie with an ambiguous ending keeps you thinking about it for days, why a conversation that ends mid-laughter or mid-story feels different, feels important, feels alive. The mind can't let go of what's incomplete. It replays it, searches for answers, and in that search, the emotional imprint grows deeper. Now imagine applying that to the way you interact with women. Instead of constantly trying to impress, you speak less and leave her curious. Instead of seeking her validation, you let her feel the weight of your absence. Instead of explaining everything, you let silence do the heavy lifting. This is how you stop being a man she forgets and become a man she thinks about when she's lying in bed, wondering why she can't get you out of her mind. This is how you stop chasing and start attracting naturally. Because when you leave things unfinished, when you end an interaction at its peak, instead of dragging it on, you plant yourself in her mind as a mystery she needs to solve. And that mystery becomes your silent advantage in attraction. When a woman acts hard to get, most guys panic internally. They feel they need to prove themselves, to show her they are different from the other guys, to explain their worth, to shower her with compliments, to text consistently, to prove they are serious. They think that if they show her enough effort, she will reward them with her attention and affection. But what they don't see is that this is exactly what she expects them to do, and exactly what kills her desire. Because when a woman plays hard to get, she is not looking for effort, she is looking for emotional stimulation. She wants to feel something real, something that breaks her carefully controlled patterns, something that interrupts her ability to manage every moment of her emotional world. She wants to feel a spark of uncertainty, a spark of curiosity, a tension she cannot fully control. And that tension is something most guys never give her, because they are too afraid to lose her, too afraid to walk away, too afraid to leave her wondering. They crave certainty because it makes them feel secure. But security is not what creates attraction. When you understand the power of the Zygarnic Effect, you flip the script completely. You stop giving her all of your energy when she hasn't earned it. You stop explaining yourself. You stop sending long texts that kill mystery, and you start using the power of timing and tension. You pull back when the conversation is going well. You end the call while she's still laughing. You walk away in person while the energy is high. You say something playful like, "I'll tell you the rest another time," instead of dumping the entire story. And when you do this, you become the man she keeps thinking about, the man who disrupts her emotional frame, the man she feels drawn to without knowing why, because your absence creates more impact than your constant presence ever could. Texting is the battlefield where most guys lose their power without even realizing it. They see her online, they get that dopamine rush when she posts a story, and they can't resist the urge to reply immediately, to send her a laughing emoji, to keep the conversation alive so they don't lose her attention. They think if they can just keep her engaged, they can eventually win her over. But what they don't see is that every long message they send, every instant reply, every effort to explain their thoughts is draining the very mystery that creates attraction. Women don't fall for a man because he is available every second. They fall because he knows how to pull back, how to create a gap, how to let her wonder what he is thinking without telling her everything. This is where the Zygarnic effect becomes your quiet, consistent advantage. Instead of texting her good morning every day like every other guy, you send her a message that carries energy and curiosity. Then you disappear, leaving her to wonder when you will respond next, leaving her to feel that small tension in her chest as she checks her phone, seeing if you have replied. It's not about ghosting her. It's about understanding the power of unfinished emotional moments. You might leave her on a cliffhanger with the story, or you might stop mid-thread when the conversation is at its most engaging point, letting her imagination do the work. This is how you let her feel your presence without always being present. It's how you let her think about you throughout her day without you having to chase her constantly. Most men fear that if they don't text back immediately, she will lose interest. But the truth is, when you pull back with intention, you become the man she thinks about during quiet moments, the man she rereads messages from, the man who is not just another notification, but an emotional imprint she can't ignore. This principle doesn't lose its power once you've started dating her or even when you're in a long-term relationship. In fact, the Zygarnic effect becomes even more powerful as time goes on because most relationships lose their polarity from predictability. At first, everything feels exciting because there's still mystery, but as time passes, most men start over-communicating, explaining every detail of their thoughts, checking in constantly, becoming overly available, and giving her full emotional clarity at all times. They think this is what she wants, that being fully transparent will make her feel secure, but what it often does is remove the tension that fuels her feminine desire. She stops feeling that subtle craving, that small ache of wanting to understand you more, and you slowly become background noise in her life instead of the man who stirs her emotions. When you apply the Zygarnic effect within a relationship, you learn to stay emotionally honest while maintaining a sense of incompleteness that keeps her invested. You share your presence and your moments with her, but you don't over-explain every thought you have. You don't reveal every plan. You don't always respond immediately to her need for constant emotional closure. Instead, you maintain a steady masculine mystery that she feels even when she's next to you, and it keeps her wondering, what is he thinking? When you become slightly unpredictable again, when you reintroduce small moments of absence and subtle emotional gaps, you reignite her curiosity and desire without needing to play games or act distant in a cold way. It's about embracing a calm, composed energy that lets her feel she has you, but never fully and completely. And this is what keeps her coming back to you even when she doesn't understand why. She feels your depth, your presence, but also senses that she still has more to discover about you. And that discovery is what keeps the desire alive. Effort alone won't win a woman who is hard to get, because effort without emotional leverage is just noise she learns to ignore. These women are used to men trying, proving, performing, sending flowers, texting every morning, calling every night, promising to be different, and pouring themselves out hoping for a response. They are used to effort, and that is why effort doesn't stand out to them. What they aren't used to is a man who can engage them deeply and then pull back. A man who knows how to create tension without needing validation. A man who knows when to walk away at the peak of a moment instead of dragging it on to feel safe. They are not looking for the man who proves himself through consistency alone. They are looking for a man who can create emotional curiosity, who leaves them with questions, with something to think about, with something unresolved that lingers in their chest when they lie in bed at night. The Zygarnic Effect becomes your silent weapon because it turns you into that unresolved moment in her carefully managed life. The conversation that ended mid-laughter, the story that was never fully told, the look you gave her before you walked away, leaving her wondering if there was something more in your silence. You are no longer the man she can categorize and file away in her mind because she doesn't have closure, and without closure, her mind replays every detail, every word, every pause, trying to find the answers you didn't give her. This tension becomes your leverage, your quiet power that keeps her coming back, checking her phone, replaying your moments, seeking your presence without you having to chase her constantly. Because you didn't give her everything, you didn't give her all of yourself. And that is what makes you unforgettable in her world of constant validation and temporary connections.